Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is May 17th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's zoom on in here on these charts and wrap this on up. Let me zoom. We finally have got a close above the R1 on these yearly pivots on the Dow. The Dow has closed above 400 or 4,000. You may hear on the future contract and on the larger products and all. So, and the way I see this, it is very bullish, but we are at a top. You know, when you're at a top, things tend to drop. So be very cautious. You know, keep your stops in place. But be mindful of your trading strategy, whatever your rules are for your trades, and tend to obey them and all at this time. So be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. All right, let's go down to a monthly chart and see what we see there. On this monthly chart, we definitely are above the 10-moving average. We are forming a very bullish looking pattern up here. It's not quite an engulfing and all, but we did make a new high this week. We have closed above these last 2 months. So again, once we do that, you know, the Dow tends to want to run. So be careful, be careful, be careful. You know, this thing can, if you're not already in, if your strategy and your plans gives you an entry, it might be okay to take it. But keep your stop close, because this thing can flip around on you and decide to turn around. So be careful at all. But that's what I see right now. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, as you can see, we had a doji, then 3 strong weeks to make an all-time high, a new high. We are past the double top point, but this can, you know, this is a weekly chart, so we are kind of extended like here. We can get extended another week before we get a turnover, or this thing can keep running, you know. So be careful, be careful, be careful. If you're long, just be mindful of your position and all, and make that money. That's all I want to say, you know. But everything here on this weekly chart looks very strong, looks very bullish. So just trade according to your plan and your strategy and all. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that daily chart. And this daily chart, we've gotten past these highs over here. We got past there on Wednesday. We got a little pullback, came back down and test that area and all after making a new all-time high. Some people like taking some profit and all. So everybody is not getting in at the high. There are some people actually taking profit at the high and all. And then on Friday today, this market actually did push back up, but it didn't break that high. So that's why, again, but you have a bullish looking pattern here at the end of the week. So, and today was option expiration also, I'm looking at right now. So we got to see how next week goes out and all. We're going to be opening above pivot and all on the weekly pivots, and just see if we're going to go higher. And that's it. That's all I really want to share. I hope you guys had a great week. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader.